I think you are okay. Today we are going to study physics, unit number 1, which is called the laboratory surface and the measurement of physical quantities. The question is in laboratory surface laws. Today we are going to see how in the laboratory you can be able to pay attention to not avoid any accident in the laboratory. Before studying, let us see what is laboratory. Laboratory is defined as a place where scientific achievement are kept. It means that it is also a place where a science experiment are conducted. When we say science, it means we observe, we do experiment in that place. That's why we have to know the rules and regulations we follow in laboratories. Then, in laboratory, students are expected to observe some measures to avoid occurrence of student as accident that may harm them or their apparatus. What does it mean? When we set the rules and regulations, it is aim of preventing that a student and apparatus can be harmed, can be damaged. That's why there must be rules that we have to follow in the laboratories. Yes, there are 7 categories of rules and regulations. Those surfaces and rules, they are categorized in 7 categories. First category is personal surface rules. What does it mean? These are the personal, the rules that one can follow for preventing the accident and of the student and the apparatus. Let us see them. In personal, there are some rules that you have to follow. When you arrive in laboratories, you have to follow them. Read labels carefully. Try to read the labels. Means that in the instrument there are some names they use. What is in the container? Labels on the material. Another, follow instructions. They are instructions of protocol. You have to follow. Another, as a person, long hair or loose clothes must be tied back or confined. When you have long hair, you have to cut it. When you have the clothes, you have to tie it. When you not tie them, it can harm you. For example, when you are trying an acid, the cloth can be far in acid, then can cause an accident. That's why you have to tie your hair or clothes. Another, never chew or eat or drink in the laboratory. It is prohibited. Dear student, it is not allowed. My student, don't eat anything in the laboratory because it is not good. Another, inform the teacher at once there is an accident. Please don't keep quiet, my student. When you are in the laboratory and you met with an accident, please don't keep quiet. Try to inform your teacher. Please, teacher, there is an accident. What can we do? Yes, that is characteristic of a good student. Don't keep quiet in the laboratory. Inform your teacher that there is a problem. Thank you so much. Another, there is emergency response circuit rule. What does this mean? In a case there is an accident, there is what you have to do. Equipment circuit rules. These are rules that guide the use of equipment. My student, don't use your equipment as you want. No, there are rules to follow. Okay, very nice. I like this. Electrical circuit rules. Here, my student, please follow me. It is the rules that we follow when we are conducting related to electricity. Yes. Another, it's the chemical surface rules. My student, you may be in a chemistry laboratory and you handle with an acid. What can you do, my student? What you can do is there are rules that you may follow when you handle with the chemicals. We'll see in another lesson what you can do when you've conducted an experiment with an acid and an acid falls on your skin. What can you learn? No. You have to pour water on your skin. My students, another subject rules, these are another commitment. Your commitment, your behavior, your character that you have to know. Another rules that you have to base in God in the laboratory. Yes, common sense of surface rules. What does it mean? What does it mean? In the laboratory, there are other rules. There are other behavior that you have to know. For example, don't do experiment which is not explained by a teacher. Follow the rules. Don't do anything. Don't pray. Don't run. Don't fight. Please. These are the other common sense surface rules in the laboratory. Yes. You understand what I said? Okay. That's why you have to follow those rules. But there is any case an accident can happen. What can you do, my student? When an accident happens, what can you do? Okay, there is first aid, my friend. There is first aid. What is first aid? There is first aid kit. What is first aid kit, my student? Okay, first aid is something. It is a support that you can give to the victim, to the one who affected by an accident in the first time. It is what you do when an accident happens. This is first aid. What is first aid kit, my student? My student, first aid kit is a collection of materials that you can use to provide a student's first aid. You understand, my student? Let us repeat again. First aid is a support that you give to the victim when an accident happens. You understand, my student? Okay, I know you understand it very well. Congratulations. Okay, what about the first aid kit? Is a collection of materials that you can use in provision, in giving that support when an accident takes place. Okay, very nice. We will continue another lesson about laboratories. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I love you so much.